Hey, good morning. How y'all doing? It is Well Red Beard. It is a damn fine day to talk about a book, and we are here for a short review of the essay, A Few Rules for Predicting the Future by Octavia Butler. I have never read Octavia Butler. I have heard of her books, Parable of the Sower, Kindred, etc. I will be reading at least Parable of the Sower, and I think like there's a sequel, Parable of Talents or something like that. I will be reading those. She writes science fiction, or she started really with science fiction, but then kind of moved into more like dystopian, like futuristic type things. This was a cool essay, and it really kind of, it was framed up as a question to her as a writer of dystopian futures, if she thought we were really headed for that. And it was kind of, I guess, eye opening. I mean, you don't necessarily think that where we are leading, where we are today, so where it's actually leading or where it possibly could lead. It says here, someone asked her, so do you really believe that in the future we're going to have the kind of trouble you write about in your books? The young man was referring to troubles I described in Parable of the Sower and Parable of the Talents, novels that take place in a near future of increasing drug addiction and illiteracy, marked by the popularity of prisons and the unpopularity of public schools, the vast and growing gap between the rich and everyone else, and the whole nasty family of problems brought on by global warming. So that's how this kind of started. A couple of quotes in here that I liked. To study history is to study humanity. And to try to foretell the future without studying history is like trying to learn to read without bothering to learn the alphabet. We forget history at our peril. So the reason we stumbled on this one is because it fulfills a challenge on Goodreads. I don't really pay much attention to those. My wife does. She tries to check those boxes. So we got this book. She read it. I saw how short it was. I read it. Definitely thought-provoking. It's very, very short. It's an essay. I'm probably at 3.5 stars on it, but I will be reading more Octavia Butler.